After you've read your story from the second grade level page, Hedgehog and Winter, then you can do this assignment. If you're in your Google account, you don't have to worry about the sign in, click the blue sign in button here on the instructions. But if you're in your parents' account, maybe you're going to have to sign in to Google or just click that button and then it'll prompt you to log in with your account. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to File, and this is for everyone. You're going to need to make a copy because I shared a view-only copy with you. So you're going to copy the entire presentation, and Google is going to automatically name it Copy of Second Grade Reading, March 30th through April 3rd. It's going to save in your drive, so you're going to click OK. Now you have your own copy that you can type on and you can share with your teacher when you're finished. I'm going to insert this video that I'm making so you can watch that. But the second slide is Hedgehog and Winter, and that is a picture of a hedgehog. We have your teaks. You're going to recognize characteristics and structures of informational text, including features and graphics to locate and gain information. So today you're going to create a graphic feature. You're going to insert an image and create a text box. So I want you to click on slide 4, and I have 2 places that we can insert images about hedgehogs. So you're going to go to the little mountains here, insert image, search the web. We're going to choose hedgehogs. And you're going to find some pictures of some hedgehogs. I like this one right here. I'm going to resize this. And then you're going to click in here, and I've inserted a text box, and you're going to describe this picture for me. You're going to do this again in this section, and 2 more on the next slide. On slide number 6, you're going to share 4 facts about hedgehogs from the story. So you're just going to click in the boxes. I've already put a text box in there, and you're going to type 1 fact here, 1 fact here, 1 fact here, and 1 fact here. On the last slide, we're going to use some predictive skills, and you are going to pretend that you're a hedgehog. Tell me what you would do day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4, getting ready for winter. When you're finished, you're going to share this with your teacher. So you're going to click Share. You're going to type your teacher's name. I'm going to use Miss Fraser. And her email address comes up, and I will click on her and send. Guys, I'm so proud that you're working online, and I miss you very much, and I hope I get to see you soon.